When was the last time that you got up high above your city and looked across the views? Our cities are naturally healthier by being literally greener. And nestled in the valley is a spectacular nature city once you get an opportunity to explore it. And to celebrate all the things about this dear green place, the parks, pocket gardens, the larger country parks, the connection to the surrounding countryside, the cycle routes, nature for all. Connection to nature, connection to wildlife, the birds, the insects, the creatures roaming around us. Naturally healthy in the abundance of active green spaces. Places you can access at every stage of life. And community spaces where it's easy to meet people.
Are we putting these in?
First finish, then we start, yeah? Okay.
And gain that deeper connection to nature. And Glasgow is such a vibrant green city with so much to celebrate. Spaces and the beauty of it. There are literally thousands of ways cities can become healthier for all. So I think the greener city makes sure that everybody has access to green spaces very, very easily. Great public transport, green public transport. Close enough for different users to venture into green spaces. Whether that's on foot or in a wheelchair or using any other physical support. And when you're confident that you can access a space, you can really enjoy the parks and green spaces and places, knowing that you can stop and use the restrooms and bathrooms, the toilets. Safe and well-maintained facilities. You can perhaps get to a cafe, and you can certainly take a seat, sheltered if possible, when you need to take a break. It's about improved spaces, prioritising people, prioritising safer active travel. And this gives all different users more confidence to use their green spaces and to gain these wonderful benefits. All that variety of ways that you can get into nature, that potentially could save our NHS billions each year, and it already is saving millions. And with all the noises of a city, it's important to find peaceful spaces to take a break. And in the hottest parts of the year, it's necessary to get away from our indoor, home, warm environments and get out and find shaded, cooler green spaces. There's never been a better time to make sure that it's easy for everybody to access natural environments, making it greener and healthier and happier for all.